This time on Albright Quest, we go fishing.
We catch the big one.
No, we don't. Yeah, we
don't. So we decided to go fishing. We do enjoy fishing, but we're not the best fishermen. We did not catch anything our first couple of times that we went fishing.
Somebody did.
Well, you caught something later on, but we'll talk about that in a little bit.
Later.
We went bass fishing. We went to Los Gatos Creek, where there's known to be some nice sized bass there. We went there twice on 2 separate occasions. We didn't catch anything. We caught a lot of algae and weed.
Okay, so then you don't want to see where the black thing is off. You don't want to wheel it up too. Ready? So then you do the same thing again, right? Ready? Push it down. Go back.
How you doing fishing, Cole? I need to come back in, but it's not working.
Push the button.
Not bad, buddy.
Ah, yes, the old give a man a fish, feed him for a day, teach a man to fish, feed him for a lifetime. Los Gatos Creek is actually made up of a few different ponds/lakes, as well as a creek off to the side. We saw lots of people out walking around and riding their bikes. Nice day out in the sun. We moved around to quite a few different spots, and we didn't catch any fish. Oh yeah, and watch out for the goose poop.
How many fishes did you catch, honey? Did you get a big one?
Yeah, I caught you. Oh yeah, baby. There's nothing.
Did you get a 10-pounder? Was it a fight?
I got, how much do you weigh? Ow. That's the best catch ever.
What'd you get?
A goose egg.
We've not caught any fish. They're not fighting.
Well, there's a guy who has been here since like super early in the morning, and he was walking by, and I asked him, I said, hey, he's like, I've been here all day. I haven't caught anything. I'm like, what were you using for bait? He's like, salmon eggs or whatever. I go, all right. And he's like, yeah. I'm like, have you had any bites at all? He goes, no. They're just messing with us. I saw a good sized bass and they just let it go right by him. He's not hungry. So. No.
Yeah, no such luck.
Nope.
Maybe we try a different place.
Hey, if the hook was small enough, I could have caught some minnows.
Okay.
They were really interested in my lure.
Sure they were.
They were following you.
Yeah.
What?
Probably end up going to have lunch and then go somewhere else.
Yeah, guess we'll have to.
There was a pretty cool scene in the sky with 2 military helicopters and a military airplane with its cargo door open, flying around.
And then we went to Uvis Reservoir.
Didn't catch anything there either.
We didn't catch anything there, although Adam said he saw some fish.
I did see some fish, but we didn't catch anything. What did you do this time?
I was trying to get this, so I undid it, and then...
Hold on.
No, almost got it.
No, I don't think so.
Yes, it's
Malia, you can't be doing that. I have no idea how you keep doing that, but you're doing something wrong.
I think it's because it gets wrapped around there because it gets loose.
You can't do that. No, here. There's another way to do it. Hold this.
On.
Yes.
The joys of fishing, untangling all your children.
This is only like the 9th time.
You're such a good dad. Such a good dad. Did you catch any fish, Dad?
I caught the exact same amount as you, my dear. And how many is that, dear? How many did you catch? Yeah, you were almost there. You were almost there, hon.
I was.
No, yeah.
We were supposed to be camping and fishing,
Yes!
but because of COVID-19, reservations got canceled. Tomorrow, let's go to Almaden Lake tomorrow.
We are.
We're going where?
We're not the.
Where are you going to?
This is the fishing weekend. We have to at least catch one fish.
We're not Albright Quest. We're Albright Quest. We're on a quest from Ali to learn how to actually use this without getting it out.
How dare you? Yeah,
What do you mean, how dare me? Okay, ready? You ready, hon? Finally? You ready to go this time?
Yes.
You can't catch me. Too fast. He can't catch his old man. Oh!
Even though we didn't catch anything, we got to witness a beautiful sunset on the way home.
And then we went to Almaden Lake. We saw lots of fish there. Good sized fish.
Yep.
But we didn't catch anything there either.
There was one spot where there was this fish that we're trying to catch him. But he was just more interested in the little minnows. Wasn't interested in our lures or our bait.
And then on another day we went back to Almaden Lake because it was a little cooler and we thought it would be, you know, for sure a day that fish would bite, and we didn't catch anything.
Nope.
I told you that.
We decided to go to Hellier Park/Lake, and we did catch one fish.
Yes, we did.
And it was me.
That's right.
Adam claimed that he caught something,
I did.
but it unhooked himself.
That's right. He escaped. I actually almost caught two.
With
One was on the bait. Got one. Oh! He got off!
You didn't get one.
Yes, I did. Did you not see that? I even saw the fish.
You were stuck on the rock.
No, I wasn't.
I'm so sorry to hear that you crashed falling alone.
Look at the excitement on the fisherman's face.
Told you. The bait. And was actually on the hook. The other one was just about on as I was pulling it out of the water. I don't know. I should have just left it in the water a little longer. But Cole is the one who caught a fish.
Yeah, because I just keep it there for 1 hour, and then I came back, and then I didn't know that it was there, so I just took it out and then I got it.
The fish was there. So the fish went after your bait, which is a worm, a fake worm, or rubber worm.
He didn't even really go fishing. He just set it in the water and started running around, and then he literally just pulled it out of the water.
Yeah.
So he caught a fish.
That's how you
He
learn.
didn't even fish. Fishing with letting your fishing pole sit there without doing anything and then pulling it out of the water.
Yeah,
That's how
but-
you learn from me, people.
Hi.
How did you find out that you caught a fish? What were you doing?
Right here. I just leave it right here until I caught it.
Right. Yeah. It's a little bass. It's a little bass. He was so loud. Those people over there were laughing at him.
Good job, bud. Malia, hold this. Okay, bud.
Hold on a second there, buddy. We'll let you out.
Bye, Sissy. You'll be fine. There you go.
He's swimming.
That's how you learn in the first place. You start off with the bobber, right? You get a bobber. And then
Yeah, but it didn't even, I don't think even the bobber went down.
Yeah, it did. It
It was
didn't
like,
do anything.
it was leaning on the side.
Yeah, because
it wasn't even like helping at all.
I think
It
it's
only helps it
because,
stay up in the water
Yeah.
I
and
think
not go
it's
to the bottom.
because I caught a baby bass,
Mm-hmm.
so it didn't have much strong jaws, so
So it wasn't a big fish, huh?
yeah.
It was just a little guy.
To me,
And then you look died.
to me,
It didn't die.
it almost.
We don't know because it had the hook was really deep inside the fish's mouth.
So did you reel the fish in? Was it heavy to reel it in?
No,
No?
not really.
What did you do?
I just like pulled it out. I did kind of reel it in a little bit.
Yeah.
So what was going through your mind when you saw the fish?
I didn't see it.
Well, how did you know you had fish?
I didn't even know that.
Did you scream?
Yes.
He was so excited. I was actually on the other side of some trees, and there was a bench, and some people were sitting there, and the whole area could hear him screaming how excited he was that he caught a fish. He said it like 20 times. I caught a fish! I caught a fish! He was so excited. And that was great. Good experience catching your fish.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Malia, did you catch anything?
No.
Just got seed.
Well, we had a lot of fun and would encourage you to grab your fishing gear and get out there and give these places a try. Tune in next time as we take a trip to Tennessee, visit some family, go swimming, have some fun on a boat. Nang challenges her fear of heights, check out some really awesome waterfalls, and yes, more fishing. If you enjoy our videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and the bell for notifications so that you don't miss any of our new and upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching.